everybody, it's Carly and I'm here with an amazing product today. I have this new desk gaming chair and this thing is gorgeous. I love it. It has this adjustable headrest right here, and it also has, I'll show you in a minute, some adjustable, everything's adjustable so you can adjust it however you want, but it also goes in a full circle. So I love that you can use it in a full circle like this, and it also swivels really well. The wheels are really sturdy so you can move around however you want, just like this, and you can adjust it multiple ways depending on how you want to do it. So we have a lever down here which is going to adjust the height like this, just like that. So hydraulic, this thing is going to go up and down. If you want it to go back down, all you gotta do is sit in it like so, and boom, just like that. Real easy to find. And then you have your armrest. So this armrest is gonna move just like this, up and down. So if you want one armrest and you don't want the other, you can adjust it like this, like so. If you don't want any armrests, all you gotta do is pull them back like that. So we have the armrests that are adjustable. So pull it up, pull it down, pull it back. This seat is really comfortable. It has a lot of cushion on it, and it looks like the fabric is gonna be really easy to clean. So all you gotta do is wipe it clean. This headrest, you can leave this off. All you gotta do is pop this back off here if you don't want it, and you can just take it off or you can leave it on, and it adjusts just like this. It's really easy to do, so you can adjust it to your liking. But I also love that they include all of your little cosmetic covers so you don't have to see those ugly screws like you do in some chairs. It has as well. So this chair is nice too because it has an ergonomic design. So if you look at your spine and you look at this chair, it fits perfectly into that perfect straight spine curvature. So your back is going to be really happy sitting in this, and you're not going to have any back issues or back problems after sitting in a long day's work sitting in a chair for a long time. They also have this extra pad back here that is movable as well, so you can adjust it to however you feel needing, or if your back hurts a little more or less that day, you can adjust it to however you feel there. And that's real easy to do too. But yeah, this ergonomic shape is going to keep your spine curvature perfect, and it's going to hug your back and keep you comfortable, and you'll be able to work a full 8 hours without being in any pain. So this chair is wonderful. You can use it at your office desk. You can use it in your bedroom while you're gaming. I know some gamers like to get up real close to the TV so they can play it. They can move really easily back and forth, or you can just use it at a dining table or wherever you want. So it's a versatile chair. I love the look. Black and white are my favorite colors. So I really love how sleek and modern it looks and how easy it was to put together. So I love it, and you will too. Find it today on Amazon.